Yes, Kirtan, please tell me.
सो आई मीन सीन ये हुआ था कि जो सिनॉप्सिस है ना, वो
Mm-hmm.
सबमिट करने पे आज सबमिट किया है क्योंकि क्या है 10-15 दिन तक मैं हेल्थ अच्छी नहीं थी। आई मीन मैंने बात तो की है मेरा गाइड जो है कर रहा है ना मुझे
Mm-hmm.
रामानंद
Mm-hmm.
जी करके वो वो वर्क्स ना
Mm-hmm.
और प्रोजेक्ट जो बात करूँ तो वो मैं एंगुलर पे कर रहा हूँ आईटीओएमएस करके आईटी ऑफिस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम
Okay.
कि मेरी खुद की एक सपोज़ मान लो कि आईटी की मेरी एक कंपनी है, तो उसमें मेरे क्लाइंट्स कितने हैं, मेरी बैंक अकाउंट क्या है, उनमें कौन-कौन से मॉड्यूल है, फिर
Mm-hmm.
एम्प्लॉयमेंट कौन-कौन से हैं, वेंडर कौन-कौन से हैं, फिर मैंने जो
Mm-hmm.
आउटसोर्सिंग कर रखा है वो उनके रिलेटेड डिटेल क्या है, वो सारी डिटेल मैं कर रहा हूँ अभी। उस कॉन्सेप्ट पे कि फ्रंट एंड में एंगुलर कर रहा हूँ और बैक एंड पीएचपी मायस्क्यूएल से कर रहा हूँ।
अच्छा,
आई मीन
तो
आई मीन
अच्छा तो
एमडी
है ये,
क्या?
मैंने मीन्स द प्रोजेक्ट इज गुड.
ओके।
What's your problem now? Means your
आई मीन
guide has approved your project.
वो उसके बारे में पूछा कि मुझे वो मेल कहाँ पे मुझे मिलेगा? वो वहाँ पे कंफर्मेशन नहीं मिला है।
अच्छा, वो मेल how did you submit? You submit it through your LMS ना?
यस, यस आज ही मैंने मॉर्निंग में किया 11 o'clock।
Hmm. Yeah, देखो, uh, what will happen? See, just like me, I I have got a mail from my guide. Okay,
ओके, ओके।
so in that way, you will got a official mail that your proposal has been accepted, maybe,
हुँ, हुँ,
or
हुँ।
maybe something like that. See, before I got the approval, means I have not yet get that kind of approval, means that official approval. What
हुँ,
I
हुँ, हुँ।
say, okay. But at the very first day, the guide approved my concept through uh, uh, during the conversation. Okay, so maybe
ओके।
in the next meeting, means this week,
हुँ, हुँ।
when you ask your guide, so he will confirm you that okay, your project is approved and you may proceed. Okay, but
हुँ, 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 हुँ।
obviously I also expect that there should be a formal acceptance letter from them that your project has been accepted, as they are
By
maintaining
the way, I
all
call
the.
him by the
Mm,
way, I'm call him directly and say, "If you any issue regarding this, no issue. You can submit and we will discuss at Sunday." ऐसा बोल दिया था उनको।
Exactly, exactly.
हुँ, हुँ, हुँ।
Because I also believe that whatever you, if as you mentioned, your job is a very good job. So it cannot be rejected by any guide. Okay, so
हुँ, हुँ।
definitely it will be accepted. But some people are there who are doing a very little kind of job, means a very simple kind of website,
हुँ, हुँ,
and
हुँ।
your work is not like that. It's not a website. It's a portal. It has a
हुँ, हुँ।
dynamic background.
Yeah.
So obviously,
By the way,
you
actually,
can.
my company owner, so that's why. I have a
Sorry?
company. I have my own company as a IT company.
Okay,
So
fine. You have a
that's
solution,
why
IT solution company.
yeah. So that's why I am little bit concept. I
Yeah,
mean, I am created and
very
use
good.
on once they're done our project. After that, use
Yeah,
on
yeah,
my own. My own company.
very good.
Yeah. Okay.
So, where do you
यही
from?
problem था. I'm sorry.
You are from where?
I'm
Your
from
place?
Surat, Gujarat. Surat, Gujarat.
Okay, fine. Surat. So, you are an entrepreneur. Very good.
Yeah. Yeah.
Very good. Very good. Me
Yeah.
too. Okay.
Oh, sounds good.
Yeah.
ओके सर
I have
वही
started.
दिक्कत थी कि वही
Yeah.
दिक्कत थी कि क्या होगा कि क्योंकि बीच में क्या थोड़ा हेल्थ का इशू हो गया था एंड मल्टीपल क्लाइंट्स है तो थोड़ा बहुत हैंडल करने में टाइम चला गया तो
Hmm.
मैंने देखा कि यार ये
Mm-hmm.
सब छोड़ रहा है तो एक बार कंफर्म कर लेता हूँ कि कुछ वर्क्स में
नहीं 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 ये your project is very good. It will be definitely accepted. Just you have to speak out to your guide that these are the modules that I will do in my application, and that's all.
ओके ओके
लेकिन उसको
ओके
एक शेप आउट करना ताकि एट द फाइनल डे यू कैन शो समथिंग. इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट के आप matlab you are showcasing many things at the beginning, and
Mhm.
while at the time of delivering you are giving a very little of that. So it shouldn't be like that. Whatever you are keeping in your scope, that you are going to develop, and that
Okay.
you are going to present, that you can
Okay.
show in front of the guide.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Maybe it may like that you are having 10 features in your scope, current scope. Okay,
Okay.
it may be like that. Till that day you are able to develop, means 8 to 9. Okay,
Mhm.
maybe
Mhm.
one or two features have been left out. That is okay. That is permissible. That can be understandable. Okay, by the
Okay.
guide also. But
Okay.
it should not be like that. You put 10 features and you probably showing him or her five or four features. So that should not be take place. So
Okay.
keep your scope and keep that much of thing what you can do during this time. That's all.
Okay.
बाकी तो
Okay.
सब सही है. ठीक है.
Okay. ठीक है, ठीक है. Okay.
Very
Thank
good.
you.
Thank you. Hmm.
Yeah.
Anyone else, please?
Hi, Suresh.
Hello, hello. Good evening. Who is it?
Ankit.
Ankit. Please, Ankit, tell me.
Uh, so I just wanted to know, can I change the project from mobile development to web development? Actually, that was a
Uh,
mistake, and that was a mistake by me. Actually, I selected mobile development that time, but I just need to change my project.
no, first of all, tell me, have you submitted your synopsis?
No, 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 I didn't submit any synopsis right now.
तो दिक्कत क्या है? मैंने means what is keeping you from changing your project?
Right now, the problem is that I don't know mobile development. Right? I know web development
No,
very
no, no,
well.
not like that. What I am saying that if you are thinking about the Google form, है ना?
Sorry,
uh,
yeah, Google
if
Form,
you are
right?
thinking about that Google form where you first selected the mobile application development,
Yeah.
and if you are thinking that you have to select, you have to submit your synopsis on that basis, so that is wrong. You
Oh,
can submit any synopsis right now. Okay,
okay.
so just you have to submit your synopsis. वेब एप्लीकेशन डेवलपमेंट एक वेब एप्लीकेशन ले लो कोई भी. Okay,
Okay.
and submit it to the guide. You do not need to mention that earlier I took that mobile application, now I want to
Why,
convert. Not,
that's
they are
reason.
not maintaining in that way, I think.
Yeah,
Right?
that's reason I will taking time to. I don't think I will submit synopsis in web development because I have already selected that mobile development. That's why I'm
No, no,
taking.
no. That will not be an issue. You just submit your web development work and talk to your guide, convince him about the web
Guide means,
development work.
guide means,
That's
sorry,
all. Huh? Sorry.
guide means, uh, uh, doc, uh, guide means I don't understand. Guide means what?
Your guide is in which group you are?
P9.
P9.
Yeah.
Okay, so you are in my group.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, fine. Mm,
Dr.
by
Priya,
the way, I am not your guide. Okay, so Dr. Priya
I
MS
think
is
you are
our
right.
guide.
That's why you are organize this meeting.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So you can change, and as I understand about Dr. Priya, so she will have no problem. You just submit the synopsis.
Yeah, I
Okay,
will
at
submit
earliest.
as soon as possible because I just
Mm,
waited for that. Sorry, mobile development selection. No
mm.
worries, I will do it as soon as possible. So
Right,
in
right.
synopsis, I have just mentioned these things like week routines and what the project and what are the technology I am going to use, right?
Yeah, yeah. In your group, in our group, okay, I have already submitted how to design a synopsis. You can take that sample and just copy the thing. Copy means copy in your own terms.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah, I got it.
and submit it.
I have one more doubt.
By
So
the
it
way, what portal, what type of work you are doing? You are planning
uh,
to do,
sorry.
means what is your project?
Right now, I'm not thinking about that, but I will think and let you know. Actually, right now I'm thinking about some management system like that.
Yeah, you have to do like that thing, management system. But you must do that thing because, as you know, that data has been
Oh yeah, past.
gone.
Yeah,
Data has gone. Okay, so and you also need to do the work. Okay,
yeah.
so you will have a very less time. You say this 7 or 8 weeks is not sufficient to go for the entire project. If you are a fresher and if you are just a student and doing this course only, then obviously you can devote your full time here. But if you are working, then obviously this time is not
I'm
sufficient.
working. I'm working professional.
So you do it
Yeah,
at earliest.
right. Sorry. So it's an individual project or group project.
Sorry,
I can. Hello. I'm audible.
hello. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So it's an individual project or it's a group project.
See, as per the guide and as normally happen, if your work is very complex, means it is not possible for a one manpower to do the entire job, then obviously you can take one of your friend. Obviously, that person must be within your group, that is P9, and collaborate with him or her to do a single project for the two-person. Okay, but that project must be large enough so that you can convince your guide that the work is not possible for a single manpower to complete. Okay,
Actually, I'm
but
right now thinking about some replica of Netflix or some music management system like that.
okay, if you are doing some clone, okay,
Yeah,
so your job is just like cloning an existing site,
yeah,
then your guide may ask you that we already have Netflix, then who will take your project? Means whatever the application you are developing, who are
yeah.
going to take your software or application um, over Netflix. So you have to put something extra features or some kinds of different feature you have to put in your application, right?
Oh,
Otherwise, you will not be able to convince your guide. So
okay.
just before meeting the guide, you
My
just
project
think,
will be the unique, right?
yeah, sorry, yeah, your project should be at
Yeah.
least one feature extra apart from Netflix. Means you take say five feature from Netflix and add some extra feature from say other portal or
Something.
from
Yeah.
by your own brainstorming. You just put some extra feature, means at least one extra feature, so that you can convince your guide. See, this is my unique feature in my project.
Okay.
Otherwise,
Okay. Got it.
cloning is generally discouraged by the guide.
Okay.
Okay. So before meeting the guide, you have to remember the thing. You are going to face that question, obviously, when you
Okay.
are
Yeah. Thank
telling
you for
her
this
that I
research.
am taking a cloning.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks. Thanks. Thanks a lot.
Anything else, Ankit?
No, no, not from my side.
Okay.
Thank
And
you.
in the group, obviously, you means speak out. Okay.
Okay.
Join the group regularly, and our guide is very much helpful, and she is a nice person. Just talk to her, and you will be you will get a good out of her. Okay, so just speak out to her during the meeting and join the meeting regularly. That will put you a good
Okay.
impression for you to the guide. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Anyone else? Hello. Hello.
Yeah, so I asked you, remember, like, you have experience in creating a web application before. So I just want to know, like, can you demonstrate the start process and end process if it's not too
Sure.
much?
Yeah, yeah. Why? If it is too much, then I will also do. Okay, don't worry. I
Okay.
am giving you that much of time. Okay, don't worry. Just tell me what is your project?
My project?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a crowdfunding project.
Sorry,
Crowdfunding project. Like, you can submit a
crowdfunding.
project and then, ask for backers and supporters for that.
Can you bit explain the task?
Huh?
Can you explain a bit, little more about your work so that I can directly say you how will you proceed?
Yeah, like it's I mean, wait 1 second. You know the app fundraiser and like
Fundraiser,
Kickstart,
just
like
a
something.
Milap. It's a Milap.
Uh,
Milap is a fundraiser, means the
I'm not
needed
familiar
for.
with the Mila app, but yeah, it's similar. Like all these talented individuals or like entrepreneurs, all these people can post their projects in there and ask for backers and supporters.
Okay, so it is basically a communicative project, means like something like LinkedIn.
Um, Close, but yeah,
Okay,
LinkedIn is
see
like
here.
a job career exploration, right? But this is not that.
Hmm. And your scope is limited to,
Huh?
your scope is limited to what? See here,
So
this is
my
Milap.
limitation,
Can you see the
yeah,
screen? Yeah,
yeah, similar to this.
just like this, na?
Uh,
Okay, fine. And some kind similar to LinkedIn too. Uh, LinkedIn is
yeah, yeah. There's
not.
community feed and all that. Yeah.
Mhm. But do you have any experience of developing web-based
No,
project
no,
or
that's
application?
what I said. No, I don't have the experience.
Okay, fine. And your technology, do you know the programming languages required for that?
I'm familiar with Python.
Python. Okay.
Mhm.
So Python, you have to take some frameworks like Django. Do you know Django?
Yeah, yeah.
Hello.
I'm familiar with the frameworks. I have to do my research a little bit more, but yeah, I know.
Okay, fine. Then what you have to do for any kind of web application? Okay.
Hmm.
First of all, web application have, just a minute. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, yeah, I can see.
Yeah. Straightforward your web application, any web application. Okay. Not just that simple websites. Okay. You have two different part. One is your client part or normal viewer, you can say. Okay. Users or viewer, user part, and another is your admin part, from where you are going to manage all the sections, right? Now, in the user part, you have to design one portal. For the admin part, you have to design another portal. You got it? Just like, see, uh, just see here. Can you watch this? This is a portal. Okay. This is for one college. So you have to develop a web page or website, okay, for your general viewers. And if you click on these links, okay, you are going to get some data. These are dynamically maintained. and from where you are maintaining all these things, that is called a dynamic panel. Okay, and that panel, maybe I will not show you here, but there will be a separate, completely different kinds of web portal from where you will manage all the contents. Okay, that is called your dynamic, means admin part. Okay, and both will be maintained by one single database. So admin is going to enter some data. That data will be fetched by this part. And maybe if it is a multiple user, as obviously your project deals with multiple users, so those user will, when put their data in their account, okay, so that data will again be goes to that database, and admin can bring that data in their own panel and create some reports for their own internal purpose. You got the things. So what you have to do, you have to create two simultaneous websites. If you think about in terms of website, you have to create two different website. One is for your users. This is the front end. You can say this is a front end. Okay. And another is your back end, from where this front end will be manipulated with all the data. Got it? So your first job must be to design what are the features that you are going to put in your user part. Say like that, you can select the menus. What are the different menus that you are going to put over there? Okay, so you have to collect first the features. Okay, like if you refer to this kind of websites, okay, similar Yonar websites that you are doing with, go with that, just create an account and see what are the features you are what are the features available in that kind of website, and take a few features from there and put it inside your listing here also. Okay, so depending on this listing, you are going to create your admin panel. Is it okay? Suppose,
Yeah.
yeah, suppose you are taking, say, you are giving your client like that, download our app. See here, say
ആ ഞാൻ ക്ലാസ്സിലല്ലേ ഒരു മിനിറ്റ്
maybe where it is, you can register here, start a free fundraiser now. Okay, so when you click on this, see, this is a kind of form that appears now. So now this thing you have to, when you enter the data here, this data will be stored in the database. But see here, there are four different segments, means not four: medical, education, and memorial. So click on other, they may have some other listing. Okay, so now say, in your portal you are taking these three things, means you are going to raise the fund for medical purpose, education purpose, and memorial purpose. Now after a few months, okay, you want to add some more area, consider some more area in your application, then from where you will add that thing. So that time your admin portal will come out. So from admin portal you will have some area where you can add a new feature, and that will be shown over here. So what my suggestion is, go with some similar kind of website from where you take the concept, okay, and register over there, take the features from there. What are the features that you can develop? Okay, that feature is going to be shown on your user portal, and depending on that feature you are going to develop your admin portal. Now how admin portal look like, I will give you a hint. Just a minute. Okay, let me show you this one. This is a admin portal. Okay. Simply from here, you are going to add something. Say this is a admin portal for a college. Okay. If you want to say maybe some add some routine. Okay, class routine. Okay, you can add it from here. So when you are adding a routine for the college, okay, that you can add from here. If you want to view some older routines, that you can view from here. So these are the routines that you can view from here. See, okay. So this is called basically the admin panel, from where you are going to manage all your data and your front end. So first, you just go inside any of the website, similar kind of website, and take some features from it. Do you have any idea? Uh, do you have any suggestion of the particular type of website? What you are actually doing? Okay, similar kind of website exist. Tell me, please.
Yeah.
Just tell me so that I can open it
Uh,
here.
and I'm this my project is based on this app called
That's
Kickstarter.
acha. Tell me the spelling.
KICK
KICK.
starter. STARTER.
Acha, startup.
Yeah, starter.
Kick.
No, ER.
Acha, start this one.
Yeah, yeah.
Crowdfunding website. This is Impact Guru.
Yeah, this is a different one.
This is a different one. Okay. So what you need to do? Do you have any account over there?
No.
You do not have the account, na? Starter, like that, na? Kickstarter. Okay, fine. This one. This one. Okay. So you do one thing. You just create an account over there and go inside. See what are the features they are providing, and consider some of the features in your website. You do not copy all the things that you will not be able to develop during this
Yeah,
time.
I already decided my features and all that.
Fine. Then just tell me the features so that I can give you the idea what you can do in your admin portal. Acha, one more thing, to design the front end, you can go with scratch design with something called HTML or Bootstrap, right? Do you have the idea?
Hmm.
Bootstrap.
Yeah.
Otherwise, what you can do, because it will take too much of time, okay, for the designing the entire website. What you can do, you can search for some HTML template
Go
or
to
Bootstrap
Teams blog.
template.
Hello, sorry.
HTML, sorry.
You can visit Teams blog.
We obviously need some free website, now template.
Yes, you will uh, you will get all free templates on Teams blog.
Yeah, HTML crowdfunding free templates. Crowdfunding HTML template free. You will get some. This theme forest is not free. I think most of them are paid.
Teams Forest is not free, but
Mm.
you can get the name of the template and you can search it on Teams blog. You will get the template on Teams blog for free.
Yeah, see here. Tell me themes block, na?
Teams blog, LOCK,
Themes. See, am I writing
LOCK,
it? L O
LOCK,
C
CK.
K. Themes
Yes.
block. Okay, fine.
No, this
Themes
Teams blog.
forest.
Yes, it's the spelling is okay, but you will have to search one of the templates name along with Teams blog.
Okay, crowdfunding.
something like that.
crowdfunding template. Rijwana, are you following?
Yeah, yeah, I'm following.
Yeah, see here. See here. This is probably themes log, not theme log. It is theme log.
No, actually, it's most probably themes log. Just wait. Let me get the URL.
Yeah, this is theme log. Themelog.com. See,
Hold
this
on a
is a
second.
crowdfunding HTML template. Okay, so you can download the thing. I think if it is
Themelog.com.
available.
Yes, this one is it. Yeah, yeah. She can get from his site.
Yeah, see here HTML templates. Okay, so from here you can download one template. Okay, and just customize it according to your features, and that's all. You keep your focus on the admin panel. Okay, where your expertise will be showcased.
Yeah, yeah. I got it. Thanks. Thank you so much.
Okay, welcome. No problem.
Also, what about when you're turning this into a mobile application?
You want to turn it into a mobile application.
That's not the plan for now, but that's in the later update.
Okay, for mobile application, what you have to do, you also you have to have the two things. Now here you will have the mobile application, but the admin part will remain same. Okay, this mobile application you have to develop in either just like I am doing it in Android. You may take it for I'm doing it in Java, so you may take it in Python or any other language, suitable language. You have to develop the mobile version of the app. Okay, just like that. See, mm, uh, I can refer you one of my work. See this one. This one is a website. Okay, right, a portal, actually a news portal, right? And you will get just 1 minute. See here, this is the respective mobile application for this portal. This is the portal. Whatever you are getting here, you will get in the same mobile application, right? So both the application, means the web application and the mobile application, have been driven by the same admin panel, same database. The database will remain same, and here in admin panel you will have some other functionality so that you can, means what a mobile application usually do. Mobile application put a request, throw a request to the admin panel or the server, and the server will give you some response, some data in terms of, you can bring the data in XML or JSON. Usually we do it in JSON. Okay, through some API call, and that's all. Mobile application development is probably mm, more easier than web application development. So there will be no problem. Once you do web application, then it will be very easily, it can be very easily converted, because the same things, you just need to create some API calls. You have to create some endpoints. They are called endpoints. Means this mobile application will throw a request here. Here there will be a URL that will be called endpoint. This is termed as endpoint. And when this request hit this endpoint will send the total data here. If you download this app, okay, if you download this app, you will get the same news. And you obviously understand that means the admin will not going to add the same news once for web application and once for mobile application. No, admin is going to add the news in a single panel, and from those panel, from the same database, the data has been divided, means distributed to mobile application and also to the web application. You got it?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, and this application is developed by me just recently, not very old. It one, I think it is this year's January or February. Okay, tell me more. Anything?
You did this one?
Yeah, see here. This is actually our company. Okay,
Mm.
so I have a team, and
Mhm.
I am just over them as a project manager. You can say.
Okay.
Tell me anything more. Anyone else?
What did you use? Java?
Actually, I have a mix of many things. Yeah, it is Java, it is PHP, and it is Python too, because it has some ML part in it. So I need some Python work in that. So it is a mix of multiple things.
How long have you been doing this?
Sorry,
How long have you been doing this?
which one?
Being a project manager.
Okay, so being a project manager, it's a long time back. I have a just 1 minute. I think we have completed. We do not have any more friends here, so we can pack up now. Just 1 minute. Somebody is there. Anyway, so it's a long time. I have a experience over 20 years. Hello, Rakshit.
Hello.
Yeah,
Hi,
tell me
sir.
please.
Yeah. Just regarding that project I'm to discuss.
Yeah, sure.
Um, just I'm doing that hospital management system
Hmm.
based on that yeah security, internet security. Hello.
Internet security means.
Yeah, network security and similar therapy. Based on that,
Hmm,
I'm doing.
hmm. Okay.
Regarding that, I'll share you some details within WhatsApp. Just you can check and confirm how it will be. Like I don't know, I'm totally from separate department.
Okay. Do you know some languages? Means programming languages or
Yeah, I know some languages.
which one?
Like HTML, I am in HTML, I know, and CSS,
But you
like
need
this.
some backend programming language like PHP. PHP will be the most suitable one for you. Do you
Okay.
know these things? Is it
PHP little bit touch is there.
okay? But how will you do that project? Means do you want to do it by yourself or you want?
I am planning that of myself only, but time is very less.
Yeah,
Yeah, based
and
on
it
the
will.
weekly, I want to advertise. But weekends, it's not possible to us for meeting and all.
Hmm. Then how can you
So my
complete
time
that
flat.
thing?
Yeah, weekdays only I used to do. I have weekdays sometime, little bit time I'll get.
Hmm.
So my
But to complete the project, complete the work, you need to have that knowledge. Means you have to write the programs, you have to write the codes. Okay, only
yeah.
HTML is not going to be the part. main part will
Yeah, yeah.
be done by the Java or the backend language, that is PHP or
Back into yeah.
anyone. That you have to think.
For that
So
one, little bit
hospital management,
anyhow.
yeah, yeah, hospital management, you have fix up your features.
Little bit I fixed that one fully because on that time I got the last 2 days back I got the message like it's the 18th is the last date. For that emergency, I taken someone's help and I I did the synopsis and I completed that one.
No problem. You can share it now. We can fix it up just right now if you
Yes,
have
sir.
that thing with you.
Right now it is not there with me. It is in home only.
Okay, okay,
I used to go there. I'm with my office home, like my boss's home
okay,
near to where I'm staying.
okay. You send me the one. I will check it, but don't keep many features into it so that
Okay,
you cannot complete the work. Okay.
okay,
Just scale out with a moderate amount of features. That means main
okay,
hospital management, what actually done. The different kinds of uh, departments will be there, right?
okay. Yeah, yeah,
Patient
yeah.
admission section will be there.
Yes.
There will be some outdoor section. There will be some operation. Okay,
Just only
theaters.
for admin I'm checking. Only for admin I'm doing.
Yeah.
Only admin
Well,
and like what the staff is there now checking out in and out. What they based on that I'm checking on internet network securities. I taken.
network securities. You are going to means what you are mean by network securities.
Just on the day I select immediately. I don't have like more time now. That for that I didn't solve. So exactly I said in first it is there. It is selected like that. Randomly I selected. I confirm with the program manager also. She told that okay, just you can complete the synopsis. Then you have any plan, update me. I'll check and I'll confirm you. She told like that.
Okay.
Just for
Okay.
that
What
time.
my suggestion is that you should keep only that features which are familiar to you, what you can
Okay,
understand. Okay.
okay, okay.
That you also have to implement the thing now.
Yeah, yeah.
Little
For
bit.
that time, we can check
So
it.
if you keep the features in that way, and your guide is going to guide will obviously tell you keep that feature, that is a good feature, keep those feature out that are very normal. No, you have to go with a little bit of conversation with him to make him
Okay,
understand that, sir,
okay,
this much of thing I can do. Okay,
okay.
because I'm a
Okay.
working person, I have a little working time
Yeah,
available, like that thing. Okay, that you have to manage, and you
yeah, yeah.
keep that amount of features in your project
Yeah, yeah,
synopsis,
no,
which you
just I
can
want to
deliver.
yeah, on that I still plan.
Yeah, yeah. So you can send me your synopsis. I can check it out with my experience, no problem,
Okay.
and suggest you as per my best. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Thanks.
Thank you. Anything else, Akshit?
No, nothing, sir. Just that much only. Just any is there, I'll call you in WhatsApp. Better.
Sure.
Is the
Okay.
you what the group is, in that group, what the number is same number only you're using for call also.
You can post in the group. In which group you are? Basic means you
I
are
think
in which group?
you 1 minute. This Jane MCA CM group.
You can post it over there, and your project group is
Project group is P33.
acha P33. Okay, no problem. You can message me in the group, or you can message me personally too. No problem. Okay,
Okay. Okay, sir.
okay.
Yeah,
That's it.
yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for.